Greetings, future-focused founders and innovators. Today, we're peering into the crystal ball to explore the future of pitch decks, trends to watch. As the startup world evolves, so does the art of pitching. Let's dive into the trends poised to redefine how we connect with investors. Imagine pitch decks that are no longer static, but dynamic and interactive, where every slide is an opportunity for engagement, from videos to live data feeds. Picture using VR and AR to walk your investors through a virtual prototype of your product, offering an immersive experience that words on a slide could never capture. Think about the power of real-time data integration, presenting the latest metrics and achievements directly in your pitch, showcasing your startup's momentum. Envision personalized pitches, where AI helps tailor your presentation to the specific interests and investment patterns of each investor, making every pitch uniquely compelling. Consider the growing importance of sustainability and social impact, as investors increasingly favor startups with a conscience, driving you to highlight your ESG initiatives. Reflect on the trend towards brevity and clarity, where the challenge is to convey your message powerfully in fewer slides, respecting the premium on everyone's time. And let's not forget the need to optimize for remote presentations, ensuring your pitch is as effective on a screen as it is in person, bridging distances and making connections. Lastly, the timeless trend of storytelling will continue to reign, with a renewed focus on narratives that deeply resonate with investors on a personal level. As we navigate these exciting trends, the future of pitch decks looks bright, blending technology, personalization, and storytelling to create presentations that are not just seen, but felt and remembered. Now, over to you. Which of these trends are you eager to incorporate into your next pitch deck? How do you see the future of pitching to investors? Share your insights and let's inspire each other towards innovation and impact.